Is your computer running slow and you're not sure what's going on? So there's something called startup applications. These are the applications that starts by default every time you install a program into your computer, and with time it drives your computer slower. So to check on that, we just have to go here to the taskbar in the bottom of the screen, right click on the mouse and click Task Manager. And then you just have to go and click on the startup here in the middle, and these are all the applications that have been loaded by default to load into my startup apps on my Windows operating system. So if I don't need any of these apps, and as you can see some of them are already disabled by me, I just right click on the app that I don't need to be loaded in startup by default. I click enable, or I can click, I can click disable in here, and it will go away. It wouldn't load into startup. And if I go to the performance within Task Manager, it will show me, how much resource has been used so far by most of these startup applications and the applications that I'm running in the background, such as the camcorder that I'm recording right now. So these are the applications you guys could check. If you don't need any of these applications to load by default into your startup application in Windows, just right click on them and click disable and restart the computer and log back in, and they won't be loaded. And that should maybe a little bit help your resources on your computer, and your computer might run faster. If you have questions or concerns or comments, leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you with an answer. I will see you soon in my next video. Cheers, guys.